How to write a research paper. First of all, what on earth is a research paper? Research paper is, for this class, an argumentative paper, a persuasive paper, not just description. It presents your point of view, your opinion. It is indeed biased, but it is based on research. Your opinion. Why you're correct, and you can persuade your reader because of the sources that you are bringing to the table. How on earth do I begin? Now, that's something, some of you have never written a research paper. Some of you wrote a research paper, but it's a dim recollection from several years ago. And some of you probably wrote one as recently as last term. Anyway, how do you begin? Well, you find a topic that interests you. You've already done that. That's what you're doing in week 5. You also have a sense of what your classmates are tackling for this assignment. And many of the topics will overlap. I hope you get ideas from your classmates, from your friends. What can you do to make your topic interesting? Develop a thesis. You've got to have an argument. You have to have a thesis for your paper. Remember, your thesis might change. You might change your mind as you do research. Research your topic. Use credible sources, database studies, argumentative essays. It's perfectly okay if your sources are biased. You want them to be. Just try to get them on all sides of the issue. Personal interviews. Consider your friends, your neighbors, somebody who might have experience or a strong opinion on your topic. Or you might do your own survey. Let me know. I would be happy to send a survey out to everybody in the class just to see what they think about your topic. Now, sometimes you want to use sources that aren't credible. You might want to show an opposing point of view, and the only way you can find it is to find somebody that doesn't really know what they're talking about. You might want to cite a specific person. This would be if you were going after somebody who you did not agree with. Maybe an influencer, a YouTube influencer or something like that. Some of them are credible, some of them aren't. You might find you want to quote one that's not particularly credible. Or if you want to make a point about the context of the issue to show what other people are saying about it. Now, to begin the actual writing, you need an outline. I'm going to be looking to see if it's organized. Your first paragraph will be your introduction. You begin with the context of your topic and then state your argument clearly in one full sentence. Body of your paper, your next paragraph probably will be the opposing point of view. Some people think this. Then after you explain what they think, the third paragraph will say, but this is why they're wrong. And that's when you will start to bring in your sources to support your point of view. Remember to cite them all. And then a conclusion in which you will call for action, like this is how regulation should be done, and or sum up your points here. Remember, you need a works cited page. Every source you use in your essay, you must include on the works cited page. And also, everything on the works cited page must be accounted for within the text too. Are all your sources listed? Is it double-spaced, alphabetical order? Did you use hanging indents? And did you remove the hyperlinks? Good luck. Let me know if I can help.